Today's lesson looks at the word dead and died. There's some confusion over which one to use because they both have the meaning of no longer living. However, dead is an adjective. Died is part of the verb to die. It's the past tense and the past participle, the third form. Died, died, died. So, dead, the adjective. You can talk about a dead man. You can say, that idea has been dead for years. And died, the verb. For example, she died in a car crash. Or Shakespeare died in 1616. Or Marilyn Monroe died in August 1962. So, dead and die. Two words that are easy to confuse, but easy peasy when you know that one is an adjective and one is a verb. I think it's time to clear away these dead flowers. See you next time. Bye-bye for now.